So this is also from the Shore Living line. This is my favorite one. It says sand and my favorite beach. They have these like different sayings and stuff like that. But if you can't find the beachy ones like this, the Shore Living line, I think they kind of have these kind of year round. You could kind of take the paint off and kind of make it your own if you wanted to. But not the sand from my favorite beach, but sand from my favorite Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut the end off of a baggie to make it easier to get it in there without a funnel. I'm going to fill it up, not all the way, because I do want some area to be able to light up with my solar light. And this is one of the metal solar stakes from the Dollar General. This is the one that was only $1. It's smaller, and I thought that would be a good fit for this smaller jar. Again, we're using those little bottled seashells from the Dollar Tree. I put a good variety in there and make it look real beachy on the top of our sand. And see, this has like a small top. So I think this Dollar General $1 metal solar stake is going to be a good fit because it's a lot smaller, as you can see. So if you needed something smaller diameter, definitely check Dollar General, and it was cheaper. So win-win, right? So I was trying to decide, the metal just pops right off on this one. So I thought I would just cover this one with burlap as well, using one of those burlap bags from the Dollar Tree. I just used the little metal ring that was on it for reference to know how big to cut this. And that looks pretty good. I was trying to decide if I should include the silver part or just leave the black plastic. It doesn't really matter. But I was struggling to cut a straight line, but I think I got it. I decided to just go with the black plastic, eliminate a piece, and just hot glue that all the way around. Now, the only trouble I had with the Dollar General solar light compared to the Dollar Tree one is it has an on-off switch inside, which is great, but it did kind of get in the way for this project, and I'll show you what I mean. I do want to have some hangers on this, so I do go ahead and take some Dollar Tree twine and just kind of tie that around, kind of leaving that until I go ahead and get the light on there. So I just hot glue the lip, and I was just expecting to be able to put that on there, but I think the little power switch was like kind of getting in the way. So it did want to go on there super flat, and it was trying to like turn off the button on there. So I just pull it off, and we're going to kind of use that twine that we just used for the hanger to kind of fill that in, I think. Then that just kind of gives me a surface to glue onto the top of the jar, and problem solved. So I wanted to show you that you could even do it with like the skinny bottles like that, especially if you have a smaller solar light like that one from Dollar General. Now I kind of wanted like a hanger. I kind of wanted it to have like 4 strings though. So I do another piece of twine, knotting that off on the other side, and that gives me like 4 strings that I can like pull up to the top and kind of just knot them all together to make a little hanger for this. So this little bottle can hang. Always a fun option, especially for a bottle. And it's small, so it's not going to be very heavy. And that's how it looks. And this is how it looks hanging in the daytime. It's super cute. I always love these little sand bottles with a little burlap on the top. Not real obvious that it is a solar light during the day. But I kind of think you could use this, you know, just sitting on its bottom, but I kind of like it hanging. And this is how it looks at night with some cute little Dollar Tree shells in there. Super coastal and fun. I hope you guys are enjoying all of these coastal solar light DIYs.